Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I automatically post reel to multiple Facebook page. So this is my software I'm currently using to manage multiple Facebook account and also is a Facebook page. So first is the account management. So with this function, I can add and manage multiple Facebook account here. So here you can see that I have many Facebook account in my software. Okay, to see all your page that you have in your account, I will go to page management and choose manage page list. And in here I will choose the category that I want and choose the account I want to see that have my page. And here you can see the list of your page that you have in your accounts. Okay, next to automatically post reel to multiple Facebook page, I will go to posting function and choose post reel. So first I will choose the page that I want to post the reel that I want. Next, I will choose the video that I want to post and choose select. And I will press step. And you can choose many options like in here, and after everything set up, I press start and let the software to roll out. So after post done, you can go to posting history to see all your link that you already post with your software. Here you can see the link at the time and the status of your posting video reel that you already post with the software. So basically I should show you how I automatically post reel to multiple Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more details about automation software.